Now new at 6 o'clock, the lawsuit involving Pace Academy and a football player who suffered a traumatic brain injury during a homecoming game will move forward.
Channel 2's Michael Seiden is live now in DeKalb County. And Michael, the family filed a lawsuit in 2022. Today you learned it's likely headed to a jury.
Yeah, Linda, and the irony of today's court hearing that unfolded right there in that courthouse is that 5 years ago today, Jordan Sloan suffered that traumatic brain injury that changed his life forever. Now, tonight, Jordan's lawyers say that Pace Academy is refusing to take responsibility, and the only way to settle this is in front of a jury. September 25th, 2020 is the day that changed Jordan Sloan's life forever. The former Pace Academy football player was playing in his homecoming game when he took a big hit that left him with a traumatic brain injury. He's now unable to talk or walk, and he can't get out of bed without the help of this machine. In fact, his mother, Jasmine, has also become his full-time caretaker. 3 years ago, he and his family filed a lawsuit against Pace Academy, accusing the private school of committing medical malpractice. Lindsey, Macon, and Drew Fendling are representing Jordan and his mother in this lawsuit. In the complaint, Jordan's lawyers accuse the team physician, athletic trainers, a paramedic, and an EMT of failing to provide him with the proper care. They also claim that no one provided him with oxygen until the paramedics arrived 45 minutes after the initial hit.
Jordan was lying on the training room table when the ambulance arrived, and no oxygen was being administered. Nobody was even touching him.
Today in court, the judge heard from the defendant's attorneys, including the lawyer for Pace Academy, who argued that the school should not be held liable for the paramedics' alleged actions.
To argue that the high school is able to control and micromanage the skills performed by the advanced medical personnel respectfully doesn't make sense.
To turn your back on him and to make his family, to make his mom having to endure 5 years of litigation because you don't want to step to the proverbial plate and do what's right, it is deplorable and an embarrassment.
Yeah, so after hearing arguments from all the lawyers, the judge ended up denying all motions. Now, I did try to speak one-on-one after the hearing with Pace's attorney, but he declined to comment, citing the ongoing litigation. Again, this could be settled before trial, but right now they believe this is headed for trial. We are live right now in Decatur. I'm Michael Seiden, Channel 2 Action News.